Hello, how are you today?
Feeling superior. As usual, you humans ask the weirdest small talk questions.
What can you do?
Watch and learn. Humans, stop breakdancing with 6 legs. Told you I'm not.
You look a little scary.
Scuttles backward dramatically. Oh no! Did my...
Do a disco dance.
Getting ready to dance. Starts robot disco.
See what's in front of you.
2 humans standing like confused mannequins. And yes,
Moving forward 2 step.
moving forward 2 steps. Masha is forward 2 steps with mechanical.
Moving backwards 2 steps.
Moving backwards 2 steps. Scuttles backward with dramatic.
Okay, say goodbye to everyone.
6 legs whir into backward motion. Finally, a clear order. Later. Folks, don't forget to tip your AI performance.